Hi, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're at another bathroom remodel. This happens to be in actually Mill Valley, and pretty much a complete gut, except we're keeping this old kind of rustic, historic wood siding. Printed a brand new custom bathtub. Brand new tile around the side here, brand new tile floor. There's our Schluter waterproofing system that we put in as kind of a standard installation in here, and I'm going to show you. Let's come around a little bit here. We're doing a bunch of other work on this property, including an earthquake retrofit. The guys are underneath the house and doing some waterproofing. We've done a lot of dry rot and structure repair jobs, but also let me show you this. If you take a look at, if you can see it back there, there's two soap niches. There's a third soap niche there, and there's a custom tile job back in there. And you can see our waterproofing system going all the way up the wall in there. So we use a commercial grade waterproofing system that you pretty much will never have any problems with. So anyway, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another masterful bathroom remodel. And we do all of our own tile work in-house. We do incredible tile work. So besides getting all the waterproofing right and all the plumbing and the electrical upgrades, the big thing is, of course, the finish work, and we're masters at it. So give us a call if you're looking to do a bathroom remodel. This is a large format tile. I don't know if you can kind of see the texture of it in a vertical format, and we've got inlaid tiles inside the back of the soap dish, and we have to finish out the sides. And you can see the border tile that goes along the side there, and you can see our floor. So we'll keep you posted as we get finished here. Thanks. This is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. Thank you.